Hi, I'm Sebastian. Thank you so much for listening to this short introduction to my seminars on clearing the chaos of the mortal mind. Every morning when I get up after giving thanks for this incredible life we all share, I ask for the wisdom to not only produce but also share the lessons and truth I've learned in my 63 years on this earth, in my life and in my work. You see, I've been a clinical hypnotherapist for 33 years, which means I've witnessed thousands of people's struggles, habits, and terribly tangled pasts. But mostly, I observed how the human brain sometimes overtakes what I call the spirit mind or the observer mind and wreaks havoc in every direction of my clients' bodies, relationships, and lives, causing complete chaos. One morning in my quiet time, I received an insight about how to stop this chaos in the mortal brain, which has given me the insight to write a book and teach seminars on a process I call zeroing out. My goal is to teach this process to as many people who will listen and help untie the tangled web of our human destiny and provide the wisdom that each person needs to grow and flourish in their lives. Ultimately, so that they can edit and rewrite their old stories to create new, prosperous, and powerful ones. I would love to come and share this insight with your community. I can do either a 90-minute seminar, or if you're a church community, a 20-minute sermon and a 90-minute seminar later in the day. As most of my life, I've been a minister in New Thought churches, such as Unity, Centers of Spiritual Living, and Unitarian churches. The greatest part of this introduction to my seminars is that I don't need your money or your community's money. I can come to you with my blessings, and you can take up an offering to benefit your own church or community if you choose. I would love, however, to offer a book signing after the seminar. Thanks for listening, and I hope to hear from you soon. My contact information is on the screen below. You can also go to my website for a teaser video on the actual seminar.